Want to save one of your TikTok drafts to your camera roll so you'll have a copy of it, but not ready to actually post the video yet? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to save a TikTok draft to your device's camera roll. Now let's get started. To save one of your TikTok draft videos, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Tap Drafts. Open the draft video you want to save. Then tap the Save button in the menu on the right. Your draft video will then be saved to your device's camera roll. You can then exit your draft and select Quit Editing. That's all it takes to save a TikTok draft to your camera roll. For more helpful TikTok tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of TikTok tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.